Hi everyone, this is our full 304 stainless steel dome, head open type, blind rivet 6.4 by 12. The first test is the size measurement. We will test 2 PCs samples for each. The body diameter is 6.35 mm. The body length is 12.31 12.40 mm. The head diameter is 12.53 12.57 mm. The head thickness is 1.91 1.93 mm. The mandrel diameter is 3.85 3.86 mm. The mandrel protrusion is 33.43 33.4 mm. The second is the riveting test. We will test 4 PCs samples. The minimum grip is 4.0 mm. The maximum grip is 6.0 mm. The third is the mandrel braking force test. The rivet mandrel will brake with the fixture displacement. You can see the braking force result of the first rivet is 11,673 newtons. Next is the test of the second rivet. The result is 11,611 newtons. The fourth is the tensile and shear test. We use riveting tool to set the rivet on the test fixture and put it into tensile machine. Then, we press the button. The machine is applying 2 opposite forces till the rivet is broken. The first result is 10,815 newtons. The second result is 11,082 newtons. Then, we put the fixture into the machine and press the button. Let it exert horizontally 2 opposite forces to the rivet until it is broken. The first result is 8,743 newtons. The second result is 8,909 newtons. We have finished all tests. Thank you for watching this video.